So, on today's video, I will be updating you guys based on how the markets have been looking within the weekly trading outlook that we've shared. The previous video, you can go check it out. So, updating you guys today will be based on us having to share possible continuation directions based on what we have anticipated on our weekly trading outlook. But before we start on the video, like on the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as you guys are all aware, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I have my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, or any source of communication tool for you guys. Text me, DM me, or give me a call so we can chop it up and so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need so you can have a wonderful trading life and a trading journey. But without further ado, let me update you guys on how the markets are looking and what we might look to experience and how the markets have been playing out within Monday and Tuesday. And the first pair that we're going to be working on will be NASDAQ. So if you guys are well aware that on our previous video we had this intraday support marked out and we had labeled out that we're either looking for a fill to break for that reversal or a break below for those moves to the downside. So y'all can clearly see that NASDAQ has been continuing to the downside, moving in our bear structure or our bear purchase, right? So now that you can clearly see, we had marked out this previous resistance, which is our triple top resistance from the 4 hour. Those will be based on us having to understand that from this push that price gave us and this pullback trading above our zone, are we going to get a continuation to the upside if price will continue pushing to the upside? Or based on where price is and based on this bear move to the downside, are we going to get a break below and a retest below to continue bearish? Or are we going to get a fall to break like we have anticipated so we can look for those moves to the upside? We just don't know, but we keep it the way we keep it based on us having to understand that previously price gave us a break above and continued bullish. Coming back to our very same zone, this is based on us having to understand price is either giving us a retest or price is respecting our previous zone which it broke above, right? So trading above the zone, we're going to look for those moves to the upside if it stays above, but breaking below, we're going to look for those moves to the downside, and that's what we're going to be focusing on this day. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And y'all clearly understand on gold that we have marked out our highs and marked out our lows and left in anticipation that we're either looking for a break below or a fail to break. So now you guys can clearly see that price is still holding above our very same zone and price is still holding our lows and our highs. So like we shared on our weekly trading outlook, we still are gonna share on this midweek update. If price is going to give us a break above, it's going to give us a break below off of our lows, then we're going to look for those moves to the downside. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess we're going to look for those moves to the upside. And the last thing that I want to share to you guys is to understand that how gold is currently looking, there might be a possible reversal person that price is kind of cooking, right? But we're not going to confirm it for now because we just wanna wait for confirmation before we jump into a conclusion, right? But as you guys can clearly see, that price is having some type of like head and shoulders. So with this head and shoulders, the success of this head and shoulders will be based on us having to understand that price will give us a break below off of our lows, which is our neckline from the head and shoulders, so we can look at those moves to the downside. But if price will give us a if price will continue trading above this very same zone, then I guess we're gonna look for those boosts to the upside, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCAD. And as you guys can clearly see, USDCAD, we took a trade based on what we have anticipated on our weekly outlook that obviously price is in a range, holding our lows, holding our highs, and holding our lows, and we're simply waiting for two things: a break above to continue bullish, or a break below to look for those moves to the downside, right? So y'all can clearly see that USDCAD gave us a break above of our highs, and obviously with a break above of our highs, all we're gonna now simply focus on is what push in an exhaustion phase, so we can look forward continuation pushes to the upside. But if it happens that price pushes to the downside and breaks below off of our highs, then I guess we might look for the reversal or that move to the downside. But for the most part of it, price is trading above our highs, and with price trading above our highs, what we're looking forward into is for those continuations to the upside. But if price won't give us that, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to the downside based on price trading below off of our highs, and that's what we're gonna be focusing on. But without further ado, those will be what we'll be looking forward into capitalizing from, and this is what the markets have been looking and cooking. But if you've gained any knowledge from this video, all I ask of you is to share the video to someone else, like on the video, leave a comment on the video, and so far most importantly, subscribe to the channel so the algorithm can push the video so masses and masses can also gain the knowledge that you've just gained. But without further ado, hope you like on the video and hope you share the video. But this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.